Here at Knots.io, we automate your Zendesk. Start by going to the Zendesk Marketplace using the link below. Then, click Install button on the right side of the page. Next, choose the Zendesk instance where you'd like to install the app. Follow the prompt to your Zendesk admin space. Once it's installed, you'll have the option to rename the app. On the same screen, you can also set up role or group restrictions if needed. When you're ready, hit the Install button. After installation, head over to your agent workspace by clicking on the icon with 4 squares in the top right corner. Choose Support. In the left sidebar, you'll see the PDF Ticket Export and Archive app icon. If you can't find it, look under the 3 dots at the bottom left and click it. Go to the app's Settings page where you can log in to your Knots.io account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. If you're already a Knots customer, simply log in. Now that you've logged in, the next step is to set up a trigger. Click on the New Trigger button. If you don't have a connector set up yet, click on the Set Up Connector button. Currently, you can export to FTP, SFTP, SharePoint, AWS, and Dropbox. Inside your Knots account, in the Add New Connector section, choose the system you'll be using for the export. In this case, we will export using SFTP, so I'm choosing SFTP and entering the required details. Then, click on the Set Up Connector button. Back in the app, click on the Refresh button if this is your first connector, or click again on the Connector drop-down list. Choose the connector you just set up. Enter the other information, like trigger name. We recommend adding a tag when you start and finish the export to easily distinguish when the exporter ran, and for reporting purposes. Choose the destination path and the PDF file name format. You can use Zendesk's liquid placeholders when setting these up. You also have the option to close the ticket after export, delete the ticket's attachment after export, and delete the ticket after export. You also have other options to choose from under Advanced Configuration. Here, you can choose which details will be included with the export, and if you want to export the ticket by generating a PDF off of it. When you're done with your configuration, save and then proceed to the Zendesk Trigger Configurations page. You have more options to customize when the exporter runs. In this example, we're only exporting tickets that are not yet solved, that have the Export This Ticket tag. Activate the trigger. To test the trigger we just set up, I'm sending an email that will have the Export This Ticket tag. When the export starts and finishes, tags will be added to the ticket, as you can see here. Now, let's check my SFTP folder to confirm that ticket number 381 was exported. You'll see that it created a folder that has the ticket ID, and inside that folder is a PDF of the ticket. It works perfectly. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at support@knots.io.